Let me just grab that. So this is a very typical modern Honda on an MTD frame made for Craftsman before Sears left the country, and now Lowe's has the Craftsman name again. I don't know if they're putting Hondas on their engines. I wasn't going to film this one because it was running. Oil was good. It just needs to be changed, but I just took the spark plug out, and I like to film different things. This is an E3, and I don't like the E3s. They do tend to carbon up, and I think they just go into the throat of the piston area, the cylinder, just a little too far. So let's just compare them. With a BPR-60S. I think these are pre-gapped to 28. Yeah, they are. When you really look, I'm behind you now, so don't back up. When you really look, I think they just go in a little further, don't they? So, I'm just going to make sure this is gapped to 28, and we'll stick it in. Nice. I tell you, I've converted to NGK, and I like them. I'm going to just stick this in here, and I'm going to blow some more feathers out of here. I almost washed this one with the pressure washer, because it's a really nice lady. Saw a little sawdust or something fluff in there. But you know what? It's actually a nice mower. They haven't. Oh yeah, let's do this too. This was pretty much fuzzed right up too, eh? So I'm gonna just give them a new one. Okay. Let's just get the fluffer blower out again. Side of this. And I'll wipe the, I'll just show you what I'm up to here. And I'll wipe it down afterwards with fantastic soap or something like that. There. Tune-up's almost done. Set it at the right height, eh? A little high for my liking, but now I'm going to just start it up. And it has the crazy semi-automatic choke on it, eh? Which works, by the way. Should start. Okay, that tells a little story, doesn't it? Now I did have this thing tilted back. I was gonna do a RPM check, but now I'm gonna have a look inside that tendon. And just pump it up and have a look inside that carburetor and maybe drain some fuel out of there.